Today I'm going to show you how to fix audio driver issues in Windows 11. Silence no more. Alright, let's fix audio driver issues. If you having your audio cut out, if you're having no audio come out of your computer at all, you need to watch this video. Let's jump in. So the first thing is run the audio troubleshooter. This is your first line of defense. Go into settings, look for system, look for troubleshoot, and then other troubleshooters and run playing audio. This is a built-in tool. It's automatically detecting and resolving most common audio problems with a single click. If you have now done this, most viewers at this point will have their audio back up and running. The next thing, if it's still not running, open Device Manager and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on your audio device to update it automatically. Roll back if any of your issues have started after a recent update, or install and reboot it to let Windows reinstall fresh. For persistent issues, download the latest driver directly from your manufacturer's website. The third thing is to check your connections and your device status. So confirm that your speakers or your headphones are actually securely plugged in and powered on. This is a very common problem, but trust me, this is one of the biggest issues. Okay, so verify that the correct output device is selected under Settings. Go to System and then look for Sound. And in Device Manager, check that your audio device reports this device is working properly. Now, this will resolve most of your audio driver problems. I hope this was helpful.